Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to leave a guild in Free Fire Max. To leave a guild in Free Fire Max, launch the Free Fire Max open on your device, and from the home menu, go ahead and tap on your name at the top left, and from your gallery section, go to the top right and click on your guild name, which should appear right in front of the settings menu. After you do that, the guild that you've joined in will be displayed. Go ahead and tap on Go to Guild, and then from the left hand side menu, click on Members. You will see a little door exit kind of an icon at the bottom left. Simply tap on that and click on OK to leave the guild. Make sure that you have exceeded 120 minutes after joining into the guild in order to leave or get kicked out of it. Before you complete the 120 minutes, you will not be able to leave the guild. So after you exceed that time, you can easily leave the guild by following this step. So that is how you easily leave a guild that you've joined in Free Fire Max. Once you leave the guild, you can always join another guild or create your own. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more Free Fire Max tips and tricks. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.